Definitely
FTC.
No.
Fight Team Stand.
I don't like either of them, so I'm not gonna do it.
What's up, you two? What is up, you and you too? Hey, it's your girl Trinity. So we back with another freaking video. Alright, let's get into this video. Alright, so we back with another video. This video is going to be called Which YouTuber Would You Want to Meet? Alright, so the first one up. Who want to go first? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Odyssey, go first.
Wait, so you asked me first, or
you asked it for everybody? You gotta answer it when everybody done.
Which YouTuber would you rather meet? Liza or Miranda Sings?
Well, you have to show me who Miranda is because I don't know who that
Miranda
is.
Sings is the girl that sings with the
she
red
like
lips.
this.
I would rather meet Liza. That is my freaking girl.
I would rather meet Miranda.
Miranda?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I'd rather meet
Liza.
Liza.
Like, she don't act the same like she used to.
I'd rather meet Liza.
I would rather meet Miranda.
She's
been the same since 2000. Who knows?
She do too much.
What is wrong with her? She got 8 million?
She's a weird person.
She ate Tide Pods for real?
No.
Oh.
I don't know. I never
She
said
acts
that.
just like me.
No.
Anywho, would you rather meet Queen Naja or or Chrissy from Damo and Chrissy?
Definitely Queen.
That's so freaking hard because Chrissy, I love you so much.
I love you too, Chrissy.
I love you so much. Okay,
Anyways.
you doing the most.
Okay,
We love you, Chrissy. I love you more. Queen, you're my, like, girl, we had a conversation and everything. Like, I love you to death. Want me to show you?
I know. I got one.
We did. I would choose personally Queen because she has a lot of talent. Yeah. She can dress.
Amen.
I love her personality. She's funny. She just my baby, like, all the way around, and I love her so much.
Hallelujah.
And you're so freaking beautiful, and I hope that you can see this video because, girl, we should collaborate. Okay. Like, yes, honey. Yes. But Chrissy, don't take me wrong. I love you too. I love you so much. I would have to go with Queen.
Too bad. Next.
Rather meet Diera from DK4L or Trey from Armand and Trey.
Definitely
Diera. Y'all tripping.
It's most definitely Trey.
Why?
Because he cute and he can sing. And
Trey can sing.
And they fun. Like, they funny. Like,
yeah, so
I like
really
Trey.
Funny.
And Diera not funny.
No, she just
she funny, but not that funny.
I mean, I like watching them, but it's just they not like how they used to be.
Look at this. Like, for real.
Now,
I like Diera.
That is Trey. Are y'all serious? I like Trey and Armand and Trey or whatever.
I pick Trey.
Trey.
Y'all crazy. Would you rather meet Austin? Isn't it Austin? Or
from
the Ace family?
Yeah, his name's Austin.
Austin from the Ace family, or Pretty Boy Fredo from the 2000 family.
I've seen Fredo, but I've seen Austin, so I'm gonna have to go with Austin because Austin looked better than Fredo, and They both kind of like corny families. They're not really entertaining to me. So
you go with Fredo?
No, I mean Austin.
No, not go out. Like, who would you see? I meant like who?
Yeah, like I would see Austin. Like I want to do a 24-hour challenge. Cause I seen that jank when they did it Toys R Us. That jank was type lit. He was like, "All right, baby, I'll be right back." I'm like, "Oh, must be nice."
That's so hard. Go ahead.
I don't know them.
You don't know Pretty Boy Fredo?
You never Pretty Boy Fredo with Jasmine and they got a new baby.
So I guess you ain't gonna. She out because she don't know them. But I would choose. That's hard. Like, that's really, really hard because I love Pretty Boy Fredo and I love Austin from the Ace family. Oh. I probably would have to choose Pretty Boy Fredo because he's crazy and I'm crazy. And I probably would feel a little uncomfortable around Austin. But I love him to death. Like, to death. I watch your videos all the time. But it'd probably be Pretty Boy Fredo because he crazy as hell. Do I like a piece of chicken to you? He crazy as hell. Okay. Odyssey! Stop! Go. It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn? Which one would you rather... Did you really scratch you out?
No.
Bitch, you wear?
No,
I ain't got no rabies.
I feel like I can't feel my shoulder.
Well, who would you rather meet? Ty from the Taylor Girls or the one they dropped?
What? I don't know who they dropped. Trinity?
No.
Not Trinity.
It was the other girl with the big nose.
Ty. Because I don't know the other girl. And I love Ty to death. Like, to death.
I like the other girl, but she talking about some. She talking about some. Their dad touched her in some type of way, something like that. That's why they dropped them. It was some shit. Y'all ain't hear that. We're gonna edit that out. It was some stuff in court.
Oh my god, I think I just died. It came back like, hold on, wait. It
was some stuff in court.
Stop, pause. I can't, this light is just too fucking bright and I feel like I'm about to pass out.
For real? Like, for real.
I am.
But
I never heard Odyssey cuss. I think one time, I don't know.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely Ty for me.
I was gonna say her.
She said some shit like that. Oh my god.
For me.
Ty for me.
Ty.
Okay. Would you rather me, Chris or Clarence?
Clarence. I want to fight Clarence. Like, play fight.
I want to.
Alright. Line it up.
Time to go. Bye. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I would meet Clarence and
I'll say Clarence because I really want to play fight him. Like, I want to throw him off a roof. Like, I really, cause after I seen that ice fight with him and Queen, he thought he was like big on bad. And Queen, girl, we all know you trying to act all cute. Your shirt kept falling and stuff, girl. Girl, we know what you were doing. Girl, we know what you were doing. So yeah, I want to fight Clarence on some play type stuff.
I want to fight Chris for real, so
yeah, I want to fight Chris for real. I want to hit him with a truck. Don't take me.
Just say you want to kill him, shit.
I don't want to kill him. I just want to hit him with a truck. Y'all hear my stomach?
Go, Odyssey.
Who would you rather meet? Armand or Trey?
Trey.
God.
I'll say Trey for sure.
God. So no, I would rather meet
Trey. Armand,
Trey, because Armand played a lot. He played too much. He gets serious too much. But that's my boy. Y'all my boys, but I probably would meet Trey.
Yeah, Trey.
Go, Aaliyah.
It's Auntie's turn.
She just said, who would you meet, Armand or Trey?
Oh. Who would you meet? Jazz from Perfect Labs or
I say
FTC.
Definitely
FTC.
No.
Fight Team Stand.
I don't like either of them, so I'm not gonna do it. I mean, I like.
And his name, what's his name? Kamani. Yes. Oh my god, I love that name. Like Kamani.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with
Kamani.
Perfect Laughs.
Hey,
Jazz. I'm gonna go with Jazz.
Kamani. I love Jazz too though, but
because you see how he be hugging his fan, hey, how you doing? That's what's up, support, and then like he walk away. No, Jazz.
He ain't gonna hug me like that. I'm like, look, nigga, I came all the way from Norfolk, Virginia, and you gonna fucking hug me? Look, I got a fucking hotel around the corner. Like, what's good? So I wouldn't do that to you, Ty. But no, like, I really would rather see Flight.
No, Jasmine, I'd rather her, because she be like, what's up? I'm like, what's up? And I'm like, where Tay at? I'm like, yes, girl.
You look like her, too.
Yes, you do.
You do look like Tay.
Yes, you do.
You see it?
I love Tay, but I really love Tay. Tay's like, she's my girl.
Who would you rather meet? Damo from Damo and Chrissy, or Ken from DK4L?
Ken.
I think I would meet Damo.
Yeah, definitely Ken.
Because I love Ken. Don't get me wrong. I love all these YouTubers that I'm naming. I swear it's so hard to make this decision. But I feel where Damo's coming from in most of her songs and stuff. So it's like,
no,
I love Damo.
She's
like,
always in her feelings. I'll go for her.
I know it. Like, I feel her pain all the time. So I had to go for Damo. What about you?
Ken.
What about you?
She gonna say Ken. She don't know Damo and Chrissy.
Well, I do, but I don't watch that video.
Damo and Chrissy or Ken?
I guess Ken.
Okay, she said Ken.
Kelly Sweet or Desiree.
Desiree. I know.
No. Kelly Sweet or Ashley Ortega.
No, you only can do two.
That is two.
No, you did.
Oh, Ashley. Okay. Ashley Ortega. That's a white girl.
Mhm.
Her roommate.
No.
Her roommate. No, Kelly Sweet not her roommate. That's Corey Rayvon,
Yeah.
her roommate.
Corey.
I don't know who that is. So
Raven, whatever her name is. I would choose. Probably the white girl. What's her name? Ashley.
I'll go for Ashley.
I probably would. She's like fun as hell. Like Kelly Sweet is cool.
I got a good
But
one.
I don't know. I probably do.
I
Kelly.
love Kelly Sweet, but it's just like the fact that she dropped
Trini gonna
BG,
pick.
and I'm just like, eh.
Would you rather meet Damo
Come
from,
in the video.
Would you rather meet Damo from Damo and Christmas or TriinBeatMyFace?
wait.
She said Damo or Christmas.
I said would you rather meet
Damo from Christmas.
No, I did not say Christmas.
Yes, you did.
I said Chrissy.
You said Damo or Christmas.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I said would you rather meet?
Speak up loud. So they can hear you.
Would you rather
meet
Damo from Damo and Chrissy or TriinBeatMyFace?
Damo or Christmas.
Would you rather choose Khalil from Khalil and Corey or CJ from CJ So Cool?
CJ. I picked CJ because I don't know who the other
CJ,
person
definitely
is.
CJ. Cause I want to see his
You don't know
backyard.
who Khalil is? The one with the like pretty
I
like
just care
gray
about his
eyes.
backyard. I just want to go to his house and lick his grass in his backyard.
Me personally, I would choose Khalil. Like he's so
boring.
cute
No,
and
he don't got the look.
he funny.
No.
And CJ So Cool. I just feel like he not like.
Corey was better with McQueen, so
No, I just feel like I wouldn't fit with CJ So Cool like at all. He too bougie.
I just want to.
Girl, stop. All right though.
Yeah, highlight though, even though I ain't got nothing on.
We're gonna wrap this up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what to do. Even though I'm not doing the makeup tutorial, y'all still drink. You know that we stop.
No. You know, Scary Movie, the one we had the chicken.
Oh, he was like, my turn. No, what you say?
He was like, he was trying to eat the chicken. He
like this. My turn.
Alright, guys.
So yeah, we're gonna wrap this video up. Actually, we're not gonna wrap it up. We're gonna leave.
Bye.
Make sure y'all like comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is my
Aaliyah.
Alright, let me get up.
This is my niece Aaliyah, and this is my niece Odyssey.
That's not my name. My name is definitely Shayla.
Her name is Odyssey.
I don't tell my government name on YouTube. Anyway.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video right quick. Comment below and tell me what you want next. And then subscribe so you don't miss a video. That's how I go. You know what I'm saying? Are you feeling my flow?
I thought it was post notifications so you won't miss a video. Even though if you subscribe, you still won't
well,
miss a
still, you get the flow. Like, chill, bro. You stupid hoe.
Go back. Don't go back.
Anyhow, y'all know I love y'all. Alright. Bye. We got to go.